While most AI video tools are getting more expensive and less generous, one company has been quietly giving away access to one of the best video generation models on the market for free, and with this tool, you can do everything. Today I'm going to show you this free tool from Google that gives you access to Veo 3. No subscription, no credits, no catch. First, we will create a monetizable script, and then we will use this tool to build a long AI video from scratch. Most AI video creators skip a critical step, and it costs them later. Generic AI output with no human input gets flagged as hollow content. Platforms are getting better at detecting it every month. The workflow I'm showing you today is built differently. You answer personal questions that shape the script, the scenes, the final video. AI executes, but your input drives it. That's what makes AI content authentic and monetizable. Open your browser and go to Google. Type Google Vids in the search bar and click the first result. Sign in with your Google account and you'll land in the Google Vids interface. Look at the right side of the screen. You'll see a button labeled VEO. Click it. The video creation screen opens immediately, and you'll notice Veo 3.1 is already selected as the active engine. You don't need to configure anything. It's ready to use right out of the box. This is completely free. A standard Google account gives you 10 free generations per month. If you have Google Workspace, you can create 50 videos. Google One Pro, $20 a month, unlocks 200 videos. Free is enough to start. Inside this panel, you have two production modes. Text to video, where you describe a scene from scratch and Veo generates the clip. And image to video, where you click to ingredients to upload a still image and animate it with a prompt. Both are available right here. Let me show you both in action right now. Starting with a quick text to video example. I am pasting a simple text to video prompt with dialogue and hit generate. Let's see the result.
Follow the AI Garage channel. Stay ahead of every AI tool dropping right now.
Now the second one, this is image to video, and this is where things get genuinely fun. I am clicking to ingredients and uploading this realistic portrait image first. Then I take a video prompt with dialogue again, paste and generate. Let's see the result.
Did you know you can create long AI videos for free using Google Videos? If you want to learn how, don't miss this video.
As you can see, this is the kind of output that would normally cost you platform credits somewhere else. Here it's free, and the quality speaks for itself. What you just saw is only half the picture. Knowing how to generate clips is one thing. Building a system that produces monetizable content consistently is another. That's what my new guide, Faceless YouTube Engine, covers. It's the exact workflow I run on this channel, the one behind videos pulling tens of thousands of views and 5% plus engagement, all demonetization safe by design. If that sounds useful, the link is in the description. Now let's go deeper. Short clips are easy. The challenge, and the real opportunity, is building a full long-form video entirely inside Google Vids. Here's how we do it. We start in ChatGPT with a custom script prompt. This is not a generic prompt, it's a scriptwriter that interviews you. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and run it. ChatGPT immediately asks you 5 branding questions. Your brand name, your tagline, 3 things that make your brand different, your target audience, and how long you want the video to be in words. Here's how I answer for my own channel. Brand name, the AI Garage. Tagline, learn the latest AI workflows to create content. 3 differentiators, trustful, no fluff, actionable. My target audience is creators interested in using AI, and I want a 150-word script. That's everything it needs. What comes back is a full cinematic script built around a single main character, realistic dialogue, clear story arc, your brand woven throughout. Review it, make any changes you want, and when it looks right, reply approved. That single word triggers phase 2. The same prompt now generates your complete visual production plan. Every scene broken down with a text-to-image prompt and an image-to-video prompt. In the end, there is a standalone character reference prompt to kick everything off. Here's something important to notice. The script came from your answers, your brand, your message, your differentiators. That makes the content yours. And that personal input is exactly what separates monetizable content from hollow AI output. This workflow is demonetization safe by design. Now I go back to Google Vids. Click the image icon to open the image generation screen. Go to Visual Plan and copy the character reference prompt. Paste it in and run it. Our main character is now generated. This is our visual foundation for the entire video. Now stay in the same chat, don't open a new session. Go back to your visual plan, copy the text-to-image prompt for scene 1, and paste it directly into the same conversation. Before you hit generate, set the aspect ratio to landscape. Because the character image is already in this chat, VO uses it as a reference automatically. Same face, same clothing, same visual identity carried straight into the first scene. Click once on the scene image, hit insert. Now hover over the image, you'll see a convert to video option appear. Click it. The video panel opens with your image already uploaded and ready. Confirm the image is there, then go to your visual plan and copy the image to video prompt for scene 1. Paste it in and run it. Let's see the result.
Another tool. Another promise. Nothing actually works.
The dialogue is there. The lip sync lands. The scene feels right. We can set it as our first scene. Now go back to the image panel. In the same chat, paste in the text-to-image prompt for scene 2 and generate. Head back to the timeline, add a new scene, and insert the new image. Hover over it, select convert to video, paste in the scene 2 image to video prompt, and run it. Repeat this process for every scene. Same chat for images, so your character stays consistent all the way through. Same convert to video flow for each clip. I am working through 5 first scenes this way. By the end, the timeline has 5 animated voiced scenes, all featuring the same character, same world, same visual tone. Before we create the final video, quick pause. One thing most creators don't realize is that the bottleneck isn't making AI videos. It's making AI videos that stay monetized over time. My new guide, Faceless YouTube Engine, solves that. It walks you through the full system: niche selection, script, production, publishing, with AI at every step, and monetization safety built in from the start. Links in the description. Let's continue editing our final video. Here's what most people don't realize. Google Vids isn't just a video generator, it's also a full editor. You don't need to export anything to a separate platform. With all 5 scenes on the timeline, the first thing I add is transitions. I keep them subtle, a soft fade between scenes rather than anything sharp or dramatic. This is an ad video. The story needs to flow. Heavy transitions break the mood, so I go light. Now let me show you the voiceover section. In our example, we're not using it because our script is built around a character speaking in dialogue, and that audio is already baked into each video clip. But for any other video type where you need a narrator, this is where you'd come. Select a voice, go scene by scene, and build your voiceover right here without leaving the platform. There's also a music section. You can generate background music directly from a prompt. I type subtle instrumental pop music and let it generate. Let's listen to what comes back. It's understated, it doesn't compete with the dialogue, and it adds just enough energy to hold the mood. I add it to the timeline underneath the scenes. Next, open the captions panel from the right side menu. Select a caption style and drop it in. Clean, readable, positioned so it sits comfortably over the visuals without competing with them. When everything is in place, hit the play button in the top right to watch the full video through once. If it feels right, click the export arrow right next to it and save as MP4. Let's watch what we built together.
Another tool. Another promise. Nothing actually works.
I'm drowning in AI content and still stuck. Everyone's winning with AI. Why am I not? Wait, what's this? The AI garage?
Learn latest AI workflows to create content. Sounds different.
You just watched a long-form cinematic AI video, built entirely for free inside one platform and grounded in real personal input that makes it authentically yours. This is free right now, but Google can pull or limit free generation at any point. Use it while it lasts. If you want me to continue this series with free AI video generators, write continue in the comments. That's how I decide what comes next. And if you want to go deeper on AI automation, the video on screen is one of the most watched on this channel. Watch it and build your video engine today. See you there.